What's up, traders? Welcome to episode 2 of Ask a Trader. Today we are in Boston, Massachusetts. I have my girlfriend here and she's going to ask me some questions that you guys asked me on Twitter. So let's get started.
Dan Major 3, how much does the broker take from each of your trades? Is there a ratio or set percentage that they take away?
So it's different for every broker, but for Forex traders, the most popular thing brokers are doing, they're charging spreads. So you want to know what broker, you want to go with the broker that has the lowest spreads. That's what the commission base is like with Forex. It's about spreads. So once you get into a trade, you'll notice that you're in the red automatically. That's just the broker taking their spread.
Nestor Colazzo 1. Thanks for your work. What's your broker for crypto and Forex? What's your preferred platform for holding crypto?
So my broker for crypto and Forex, so I'm assuming you want to trade crypto on the Forex account, hugosway.com or jafx.com. JAFX, I don't know what it's called. jafx.com or hugosway.com. Those are the two that you could trade crypto on the Forex account with. And my place for holding crypto, you could either use coinbase.com or the app or Binance, or you could get like a Ledger wallet and store your crypto, you know, in your house, right, on a little USB stick.
Dimitri with a bunch of numbers. What would you recommend for a beginner to get the mindset as a trader? Is there a book you would recommend?
I would just start learning on YouTube, right? That's pretty much what I did. I saw somebody that had what I wanted, and I was able to learn from them for free on their YouTube channel. So I would say, you know, there's one good book, actually. It's called How to Day Trade for a Living. It's by Dr. Aziz. I hope I pronounced that right, but I'll link it down in the description. The book will give you like the whole background of the mindset of a full-time day trader, and it'll have a lot of psychology tips in there. So I'd say go check that out, and just check out people on YouTube.
The Real Sazzy. What period moving averages do you use?
So I use two different moving averages. One is the exponential moving average. This is more for day trading because it moves a lot quicker than the other one that I use. So for the EMA, I'm using a 15 EMA, and that's for day trading. My other moving average is the SMA, and I'm using that more for like swing trading and telling me, you know, the overall trend, and that's a 180-day SMA. So I'm using 15 EMA and 180 SMA.
Marcellus 21, how do you know exactly when to enter a trade and exit a trade?
So there's a lot that goes into it for me. I'm not going to break it down on this whole thing, but basically what you want to do is you want to know where you're getting in, where you're getting out, where you're going to cut your losses. You want to have a plan before getting into a trade. I'm not going to go into what I look for when I get into a trade because there's a lot of different factors and confirmation that I look for. So I would say, you know, start building your own strategy.
Emmanuel Asimoda. I'm a day trader and a huge fan of counter trends. What other things do I need to make my counter trends game stronger?
I mean, I don't know. I'm a trend trader. I follow the trends. I don't look to pick the tops and pick the bottoms. I wait for something to show that it's actually trending. So if it's trending up, I'm buying. If it's trending down, I'm selling. So I'm not one to like pick the exact, you know, reversal. I like to wait for trends to show confirmation, and I'm a more conservative trader because of that.
Alejandro _1733. What are pips?
Google it.
I don't know how to pronounce this, but I need to enhance my knowledge on chart pattern. How do you do it?
This is a good one. So I would say open a demo account and start looking at the charts. There's no better way to understand the charts than by, you know, digesting them every single day. So I would say get into a paper trading account because they're going to give you real-time currency information or stock information, whatever you're trading. They're going to give you real-time info, and you're going to be able to use that to start learning how to identify these patterns. So I would say what's a good thing for you is look from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time or whatever time zone you're in. Take that intraday chart, print it out, and just keep doing that every day. And you'll start noticing trends.
Barca Boy 38. What indicators do you use to identify the direction of the market, combined with fundamental analysis?
The fundamentals all calculate into the technicals. So what you see on the chart, the price of the currency, that is a reflection of all the fundamental analysis. And what was the first part of the question?
What indicators do you use to identify the direction of the market?
I said this before, but the 180-day EMA or the 180-day SMA is going to help you identify the overall trend. So I suggest you put that on your chart. You know, tweak the numbers a little bit, see what works best for you.
Modest_9. How do I identify a trend on the daily chart? Do I use indicators or only support and resistance lines?
I mean, there's plenty of ways you can identify trends, but the simplest way is using the simple moving average, either 180-day or above. You could use 200, SMA 2, but analyzing something on the daily chart is no different than analyzing it on the 1 minute or 5 minute. You still want to look for your support, you still want to look for your resistance levels, and you just want to have a basic understanding of price action.
That's it.
So that's it. That's going to wrap it up for episode 2. I hope you guys enjoyed. I see a lot of questions in here, but I'm going to need more if you want me to keep doing more episodes. So follow these steps. All you got to do is tweet using the hashtag #AskATrader, and just ask your question, just like everyone else did last week. So you could tag me if you want me to see it. That will give you like higher preference. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from these episodes. And if you do, subscribe, like this video, and I'm going to keep doing them. So I'll see you guys on the next one.